Do you want faster or higher?
Yes!
Okay.
Welcome to Pelin on there.
Pelin, where are we today?
Legends.
Yeah, are we going to Land of Legends? Hey.
Yeah, in Toyzz Shop, we got me by my Barbie house!
Wow, let's go get your Barbie house, and if you can find, we will look for what was it called? It's Bunny Bo Beat
No,
Beat
it's Big Bo Bunny.
Beat Bo Bunny. Okay, let's go.
Whoa, wait, Daddy, what? I see a movie.
Where's the movie?
I see a movie, Dad, what? There was a movie here.
Oh.
There was a movie of the castle, Dad.
Oh. Yeah, are they filming? Yeah, are they?
Well, Daddy, it's a movie.
Yeah, it's a castle, big castle.
Whoa, wait.
What?
Where's his big eyeball? Wow, so good.
Wow, yeah, it's super duper high.
Look at this lights are burning down. One light.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
The lights are everywhere.
Okay, lights are there, shall we? Yeah, shall we go to the Land of Legends now?
Whoa.
Or what? Okay. Okay, put it there. Pelin.
It's a sparkle.
Okay.
It's shiny.
Okay, can I put it there?
Shiny in the sun.
Thank you. Let's go.
Daddy, I never
Do you wanna go get on to the London bus?
Yes.
The legendary London Express. Let's go.
I want to go.
Okay.
I want to go down. I want to go down.
Okay, but first I think we should get the tickets. Pelin, come, let's get our tickets first. Yeah, get your tickets. Where are tickets? Do we have tickets? Yeah, that's good.
Now we've got me waiting all of it for like this.
Yeah.
Like 5 minutes and 8 minutes and 5 minutes.
Probably we'll wait for 5 minutes. And then, do you think is the bus coming for us?
Yeah, it's still coming for us.
I don't know.
Dancing, come. Now look at the pool, super duper big.
Yeah, it's super duper big pool, and it's a giant pool. And we will see the rest of the pool now.
Super duper awesome is here.
Yeah, then I love this beach.
Yes, Dad, I love to sit down, but I didn't like to sit down, but I like to sit in there. Now we'll get the bus super duper awesome.
Yes,
Look, Daddy, they have lights.
Oh, yeah, I see.
And they have a camera too.
Oh,
See the
yeah,
camera?
I see the camera.
Wow, Dad, this is super awesome. Oh, Dad, we got to be turning this way. Dad, I love this bus.
Yeah, me too.
It's my favorite bus. Super duper funny to fish. Hi, Dad. Dad, I'm in the bus too. Dad, I've never been in the bus before.
Wow. Let's see the big pool.
Oh, super duper awesome, Dad.
I see.
There was super duper awesome drinking some water.
Yeah.
Look at 2 little ponies in the bathtub, Dad. It was
Yeah,
like
so many.
My little pony.
Yeah. I think they are bigger than your pony's tummy.
Oh no, why they're big like mine? That was never my little pony taking a bath.
Where are you going? Are you going shopping? Okay, let's go. Yeah. Is it exciting? It's awesome, man. Yeah. Do you want faster or higher?
Yes!
Okay. But hold on very tight, okay? Yeah. That's too high. Yeah. High, yeah. Okay. Oh, where are we going?
To the Toyzz Shop!
Yeah, let's go find the Toyzz Shop. Yeah, we found the Toyzz Shop, but it's very noisy here, Danik. Yeah. Let's go in the Toyzz Shop. We found the Toyzz Shop. Yeah.
It's a skateboard!
Yeah, it's a big skateboard, Danik. It's very big. Come. Yeah. Now let's find your. We will find what we will find. We'll find your Barbie house. Yeah. One big Barbie house. And what was it? Beat Ball? Beat Ball Bunny.
Yeah.
Okay, Beat Ball Bunny and Barbie house. What are they?
I found it!
Yeah, what's that?
Another Barbie new house!
Yeah, new Barbie house. Ooh.
We found it!
Yes. Shall we find Beat Ball Bunny?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the Beat Ball Bunny?
Whoa, what is that? Wait.
Is there? The Beat Ball Bunny.
Daddy, wait. Yeah, I found it!
Is it Beat Ball Bunny?
Yes, it is!
Oh.
It's Beat Ball Bunny. Yeah, wait. What is it saying? It's saying
Can I see it?
Beat Ball Bunny!
Beat
Yes!
Ball, yeah.
Yeah, we found Beat Ball Bunny!
Wow! Yeah, that's very good.
That one.
What's that?
It's a tiny experiment. Whoa!
What's that? It's. Yeah. It's your Beat Ball Bunny. Come.
Yeah, it makes sounds.
Uh-huh.
But there was a music button.
Yeah, try it again. Try. Yeah, it says let's dance. Yes. Okay, then. Good. Yeah, good dance.
Daddy, wait.
Okay, I got your Beat Ball Bunny.
Wait, do you remember this? It's
What's
my
that?
favorite.
What's that?
Elbow. It's called
bright
elbow.
lines. Yeah, it's bright lines. Okay, yeah, put your stuff in the basket.
This
Oh.
one's stuck. It's
Yeah, it's stuck. Oh, get your Beat Ball Bunny first. Okay. Oh, what's that? Is your Barbie? Oh, your Barbie with lots of shoes. Barbie fashion.
Yeah, sorry.
Do you like this Barbie fashion, or you can get another baby Barbie? Pelin, come. Let's go. Oh, lots of babies here.
Daddy, this is number 25.
What's that? It's pink pie.
Yeah, 25.
Wow. Oh, Pelin. Oh, Barbie Dreamtopia. Barbie Dreamtopia. Do you see?
What?
Barbie Dreamtopia. Mermaids.
Daddy, I want the blue one.
Do you want blue one?
Yeah?
Okay. Let's put it in the basket.
look, Daddy. She's super baby.
Is Batman?
Yeah, Batman with a superhero.
Yeah,
She
superhero.
turns up and look at her face.
Yeah.
It turns into face like. Run away!
Yes, yes,
Run
yes, yes,
away!
Yes, I see that.
And Daddy, when I turn this, the doors opens.
Yeah.
And what, Daddy? There was a tiny with a face. Ah!
Oh,
Look at me, please! Ah!
yeah. Pelin,
Do it.
do you want this Barbie house?
Yes!
Get it? Your big Barbie. And we should find some tiny Barbies first.
Tiny one.
Yeah, Barbie babies. Oh, what's?
It's Batman!
Yeah,
What
Batman's.
is superhero? Look, Dad, when I turn this, it's
Yeah,
open.
Batman's cave. Yeah. Okay.
And there was a bat card too. And there was that.
Yeah, Batman. Okay. Let's see the other toys. What else they have? Come. Oh, they have Spider-Man's here. Oh, Batmobile.
What? Batman!
Yeah, Batman and Batmobile. As you can see, we need some Barbies for your Barbie house. Which one shall we get?
We can get this.
Oh, is the Barbie?
Yes, Barbie! That we say Barbie!
Barbie with the dog.
Yeah, I love Barbie.
And let's
with
see the
dog.
other bags. Barbie with two dogs here. Look, there's a baby dog as well.
And the mommy dog too.
It's okay, then. And
Wow, we're in the tunnel!
yeah, we are in the tunnel. It's like your pool at home.
Yeah, it's the same pool.
Uh-huh. Hey, can you have a look at me? Look at me, look at me. Look. Wow. That's very good. Oh, the other boat is coming. Yeah, we are waiting for the other boats coming. Oh, okay, then, Pin, look, the other boat is coming. We are waiting for it. Okay. Do you like the boat ride?
Yeah?
How much?
Good.
Yeah, is it your favorite?
Favorite. My favorite is water too.
Okay.
Like a beach water.
Yeah, the boat's passing. Look, watch it, watch it, watch it. Woo!
Dad, I like to see this water. I like to sleep over pool.
Yeah, me too.
Now can you touch the water?
Yeah, I touched it. It's very good.
Let's touch it again.
Yeah, it's very good.
Wow, we're really big on my hand. And we're going to the unicorn rides now.
And now we are under the big bridge. Wow.
Well, big giant bridge.
Yeah, very big. And now we see the big castle here. I think it's photo time. Pelin, let's take a selfie.